Information gathering via dumpster diving. The information that is gathered includes usernames, credit card statements, passwords, bank statements, ATM receipts, social security numbers, personal telephone numbers, and account numbers. Information gathering via websites. Information provided are company overview, key people, associated companies, addresses, incorporation dates, and trademarks. Some of the websites that are useful for this information gathering includes corporationwiki.com, gov.uk/government/organizations/companies-house, offshoreleaks.icij.org, and opencorporates.com. Let's have a demonstration of each one of them one by one. Here is the first demo on Corporation Wiki. We visit the site corporationwiki.com, and here we can enter the person name or the company name. We have opted for Amazon company. As you can see, there are plenty of results. I click one of them. I could find the location as mentioned here. Also, the key people in the organizations are mentioned along with their designation or profiles. Let's visit the UK government website. Here I go to company's house and try to find information for global radio as an example. Here is a record. I click on those records and I'll be able to find when the company was opened, when it was closed, the case type, it was merger, and the market sector it was catering to was communications, and what was the outcome. Also, you can get the contact information. You can also find out the administrative timetable as mentioned here. It also mentions about gathering information, issuing questionnaire dates, the published statement of issues, the timetable for the same, also the documentation for the undertakings, followed by reports. Here are the reports of the organization, followed by some other important documentations. Here is a demonstration for offshoreleaks.icij.org. I say that I read the conditions and will proceed. You can either search by country or search by jurisdiction. We opted for search by countries. We are searching for Harley Davidson, and here are the search results. As you can see, I have opted for Harley International Limited, and the data is from Panama Papers. There are multiple records as can be seen. If I click on them, you will find the number of officers to which it is connected, incorporation date, inactivation date, struck off on which date, registered in at which place, status is defaulted, and linked country is Switzerland. Again, the data is from Panama Papers. Here are the officers, entities. Here are their details. Let's visit the site opencorporates.com. As can be seen, the largest open database of companies in the world. Let's search for Amazon Incorporation, and you can also select the jurisdiction. You can filter by the jurisdiction also. Let's search for Brooklyn based Amazon Automobile Glass Repair Incorporation. The company number is shown here. Incorporation date is mentioned. The company type is mentioned. Jurisdiction is mentioned. Registered office address is also mentioned, along with business classification, the agent name, agent address, the directors or the officers, and registry page is mentioned.